All right, y'all wanted some more Pandora content. So, first of all, I'm going to show you how to clean your Pandora charms two different ways. But first, I wanted to show you, this is the bracelet that I am currently working on. As you can see, it's the marble. Uh-oh, my stuff is falling off. So, and I use stackers to keep my charms in for the most part. But I am working on a new marble, and we'll do a whole video about that later on. But just to give you a little sneak peek, let's get into the charm. So, just so you can see my collection. So, these over here are clean, but those over here on the end are dirty. And I definitely have to clean all of those. Now, these are a couple of bracelets I'm currently working on. So I don't really, this one may need to be cleaned right here, but this one right here definitely is good enough. So we don't have to worry about those. Now I do have these other bracelets, and they're not super duper dirty, but I can, especially like this one could definitely be cleaned. This one could be cleaned as well. So I'm going to show you guys with these two. I think I'm going to show you how to do like a quick clean with those two. Now let's get to the dirty ones. You can see how the tarnish on these are really, really dirty. Even my bangles have tarnish on them. Right, look at my Mickey and Minnie. So these definitely all have to be cleaned. This one's not too bad, but the rest of these are filthy dirty. So I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it. But this is a stacker that I got from the Container Store, and I just show you guys the bottom part. So once I get them cleaned, I can put them in here, and it can look real cute and pretty. All right, y'all. So I like to use something like a dish pan like this because I have a lot to do, and I don't feel like doing them individually. So you're gonna need a bowl or pan, aluminum foil, some baking soda, and some boiling hot water, which I have on the floor. So all right, y'all, we want the shiny part facing up of the aluminum foil. Okay, now I'm gonna be really lazy, but I'm doing this also just to show you, so you guys look at what this is looking like. Especially, it's really tarnished. I'm just gonna lay the whole bracelet in. You see what it's looking like. I'm just gonna lay them in like that. Okay. Same thing with the bangles. And y'all can really see how tarnished these look. Now the next thing you do is you take your baking soda, and we're gonna sprinkle that. Make sure it gets over all of the charms and the bracelets. Okay, now we're gonna take the boiling hot water. You want to just submerge. Let me add some more baking soda. Y'all see it bubbling? That's what you want to see. Now I'm gonna take my little cute, ain't that cute, my little Pandora brush, and just kind of move them around. I want to add a little bit more baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda. I'm putting it right over the areas where the bracelets are. Don't be stingy. It's okay. And I might add a little bit more hot water. But do y'all see it bubbling? Y'all see it bubbling? It's working. It's doing its job. Just go back in and stir a little more. You see the Minnie Mouse bangle? You see how it's looking so much better already? I am gonna flip them over a little bit. Y'all see that? Oh. Now y'all remember what these look like. Now I'm just taking a regular paper towel and we're just gonna so much nicer. Right, but then, okay, so you see how it looks. It looks pretty good, right? But I do have a jewelry. See, it's the polishing cloth. So let me rinse it off. Actually, let me rinse it. I got some hot water, some water over here, because I want to rinse that baking soda. Rinse that baking soda off of it. And even with the rinse, y'all see how good that looks? Now let's take a cloth. Now this is used to polish silver, right? I really should have dried this off a little bit. Yeah. Looks brand new. Don't that look good? Y'all remember what it looked like. Y'all saw it. Alright, let's sit it right here. Okay. This one right here. We're gonna rinse. And you can still kind of see a little bit of tarnish on that, but watch. Y'all see what's happening? Just wiping it with a paper towel. It still looks a little bit tarnished to me, so I'll go in with, and see, you can see the stuff coming off. Uh-oh, I'm knocking y'all down. See it? So this is brand new. See that? All right, this is what it's looking like. Let's pull out our polishing cloth. But even before I wipe them off, look, let's rinse it. Okay, dry. Yeah, it's looking better already. So you see, you can see the difference from this one versus the mini. Because these little jewelry cleaner cloths really do pull that tarnish off. And you can actually smell it. Now, of course, if you want to take every single charm off and really do a deep cleanse, then yes. But this is for me because I have so many, and I'm not doing that. Look at that, just doing that, y'all. That's literally just sitting it in that boiling water with the baking soda and the aluminum foil, got it that clean. But to take it to the next level, to really clean him, we're gonna go in with the polishing rag. And you can still kind of, even with the charms on the bracelet, you can still kind of get a really good clean. You see, I'm just taking my time and just going over each charm. Oh, this looks so good. Y'all see, you can literally see where, let me show y'all. Let me find it. See, you can see the tarnish coming off. So don't get scared. Like if you see your bracelet tarnishing, because silver does that. Silver, and so it don't mean it's fake. That's what silver does. But don't think, oh my God, my bracelet is ruined. Oh, y'all, it looks so raggedy. Ugh. My little thumbnails look like a crackhead. Don't think, oh my God, my bracelet is gone. It's ruined for life. No. It just needs a good clean. And what I'm doing is I'm giving it a decent clean. A good clean would have been me taking every charm off, soaking them, and polishing like in great detail. I mean, I'm giving it a decent clean, but if I would took each charm off, I probably could get them even cleaner. You know, that looks so good. Right now, it already looks good. But we're going to go in and polish. Okay, so now this one right here, what I'm going to do is I am going to take this clip off because these are kind of tight and I really can't get in between them and I don't want to mess up the charms. So I'm going to take my little Pandora little charm opener. Now you see how I'm able to get in between and move it around. But I only had to take off one charm. All right, see how much better it look? Yeah, it looks so good. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with this bracelet, and I'm gonna show you a really quick way of cleaning your charm bracelets that work. Especially like if you're about to go somewhere and you wanna clean them up real quick. Toothpaste and a toothbrush. Now let me do a disclaimer. This is how I clean my stuff. This is not how Pandora tells you to clean them. This is just what I do. I do it. I'll put the toothpaste on the toothbrush, and you're gonna see because the toothbrush is gonna start turning black from the tarnish coming off. And I don't wet the charms, they're dry. And again, as you see, I do it with the charms on my bracelet. This is just the quick, lazy girl way. And be careful, you guys, with your dangle charms, okay? Don't be too rough, because you don't want to break them. And as you can see, I'm just going over each individual charm, giving each one a little attention, and in between. See, you see the tarnish coming off onto the toothbrush? And y'all, this would be a little quicker if the charm wasn't as dirty, but I just wanted to show you this method with a very dirty charm. But if your charm is not really dirty and you just really want to just add a little bling to a shine to it, this is really a quick way. All right, that's all I'm gonna do for that. But you can look at the brush. I'm gonna use the water. Now you really want to make sure you clean them good, rinse them off well. Get this toothpaste. I'm going in between every single charm. Look at that. Now y'all saw what it looked like before. And this one, I don't even think I'm gonna buff it because I wouldn't normally buff it if I was just trying to run out the door. I would just take my towel and kind of be a little bit more aggressive than I would normally. So I'm really drying off every single one and in between. There you go. A nice quick little clean. And all you need is some toothpaste and a toothbrush. Alright, so look at my charm bracelets, you guys. Look at them. Oh, I don't want to drop them in the water. All clean. And then my bangles. And these were the bangles. And y'all remember what the bangles look like. So I cleaned all of these charms, these bracelets, and all of these charms. And if I wasn't sitting here talking to y'all and I was just literally watching TV, it wouldn't even taking that long. So this is my quick, and let me show you. Hold on. This one is the new charm bracelet. Look. You can see it looks brand new. They look new. See that? This one is a little, because this has never been worn, but. Alright, I'm going to go in and finish cleaning up the rest of them, y'all. But that is the end of this video. And let me show you. Hold on. Remember these, when I said they were dirty, but not really dirty, I can still wear them. Those are still nice and clean. You can't tell the difference. Actually, the ones I just cleaned look a little better. So, you see what I'm saying? If I put them all in there together. You can't, look. Now, you guys, if you want me to go into some details about the charms and why I did the bracelets the way that I did, leave it in the comment section and I will. And we can go over my collection. I have no problems doing that. But I do have some new ones coming. I ordered some new ones because you know Pandora just had that sale. And I think it was 50% off. And then it was 50% off with 10% off. So I did pick up a few new charms. So we will be making some more bracelets and adding to other bracelets that's already existing. But you guys, that is it. I hope this video was helpful. But remember, like I said, this is not the way that Pandora says to clean your charms. So I'm just giving you a disclaimer. This is just how Lori cleans her charms. But they look good, don't they, y'all? All right, so you guys, I'm trying to grow. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Thumbs up the video if you like the video. And to all my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what you need to do, right? Hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye.